Right now I've got XLReporter's Project Explorer open, which is the first window that you'll see upon installing the software, and it represents a hub of all of the different tools that you'll use to design and deploy your reporting application. However, you'll notice that the XLR demo project is loaded, which is a sales demonstration project that's good at illustrating how XLReporter works across different vertical industries and against different data sources, but you wouldn't want these simulated reports running inside of your own application, so the first thing that you do is create a new project. Typically, you would name the project after the facility where you've got it installed or the types of reports you're creating. I'm going to name mine after the workshop that we're doing right now. And the real key piece of configuration that you're doing is defining the data sources or connectors for the project. And because in a lot of 21 CFR Part 11 compliant environments, we're collecting data from multiple sources, such as a historian as well as an alarm and event database. This is where you would define the project level connections to those different data sources. So I'm going to add a connection to live values in a PLC. We'll use this one to trigger reports to update as the batch-based or discrete process executes. Then I'll add a connection to a historian, which will be used to collect tag data for the reports. And I'll also add a connection to a alarm database, which is going to allow us to collect alarm and event data throughout the report cycle as well. This message here is telling me that the web server components of XLReporter are changing over from that XLR demo project to the 21 CFR 11 project that I've just created.